Hello, everyone. My name is Stephen Washington, and every month I help you stay grounded and focused through mindfulness and movement. When I was thinking about what to share with you this month for this Heart Mind moment, what came to mind was change, and so I'm just going to go with it. Okay? I want to share with you a quote from Socrates first. The secret of change is to focus all your energy, not on fighting the old, but by building the new. So honestly, I didn't really think about change very much before I got sober. I thought about it more because I would go to meetings and people would say the Serenity Prayer, or I would see it on the walls. And for those of you who don't know what the Serenity Prayer is, it's God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And you know, one of the things about me that I realized early on in my recovery is that I had a hard time living life on life's terms. Change is very difficult for me. And I found change sometimes to be very dysregulating. My nervous system would be triggered and go into hyperdrive when things would feel like they were out of my control. And I think that that's something that's really common for people who've experienced a lot of traumatic experiences in their lives. One of the things that recovery has given me over time is tools to help me to navigate change and to look at change as really an opportunity for growth, an opportunity that can, an experience that can hold great promise and potential, and that life happens for me, not to me. And that when the winds of change blows, and sometimes it blows hard, that I'm going to be okay, and that I'm going to have everything I need in order to navigate the change. So that's what recovery has given me, and I'm so grateful for it. So whenever I feel like I run up against that resistance within me around change, I say the Serenity Prayer. I sometimes write down my feelings, and I also share them with other people. That's what helps me move through a process like that. I want to share with you a Qigong movement that is going to help you accept change with more ease and grace. The movement is called Repulse the Monkey. So I'm going to go on an angle a little bit so it'll help you see more clearly. So I'm going to reach one arm in front of me, palm facing up, and the other arm is going to pull back, palm facing up. I'm going to reach that arm back behind me. I'm going to lift it up, and I'm going to bring that hand right alongside my ear. And then the arm is going to slide down the inside of my arm, hovering over the inside of my arm. As if I'm pushing away the monkey mind. That can sometimes happen. So that palm is going to face up. I'm going to pull the elbow back. I'm going to reach back. I take a deep breath in. And exhale as I reach the arm forward and down. So my hand is just hovering over the inside of my arm, turning from the hips and the waist. Inhale. And exhale as I reach. Let's do one more. Good, and float your arms down. And just stand here for a moment. You can soften your knees, eyes closed, and just take a few deep breaths. And just notice what you feel. Beautiful. Thanks so much for tuning in for June. I just have a few things to share with you. This month, I'm offering a free 14-day trial to my SWE Studio monthly membership, which gives you access to a huge library of movement classes and wellness resources, including Pilates, Qigong, meditation, and laughter medicine. The links for this and my other offerings are below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next month.